Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for interactive design. We'll dive right into its capabilities for bringing your static designs to life. Figma offers a seamless environment for crafting engaging user experiences, from simple button states to complex multi-screen flows. It's a fantastic platform for designers to collaborate and iterate quickly, ensuring your interactive prototypes are always polished and ready for user testing. Figma's core interactive features are incredibly intuitive. Smart Animate, for instance, automatically interpolates changes between similar layers, creating fluid transitions. You can build reusable interactive components with multiple states, like a button that changes on hover or click. Overlays are perfect for simulating modal windows or drop-downs, adding depth to your prototypes without extra frames. These tools empower you to design dynamic interfaces efficiently. Building prototypes in Figma involves connecting your design frames to simulate user flows. You can link a button on one screen to another screen, defining the interaction type, like on tap or after delay. Figma allows for complex interactions, such as multiple triggers on a single element. Scrolling frames are essential for showcasing long content, giving a realistic feel to your designs. Keeping your prototype flows organized is key for effective testing and presentation. Once your interactive design is ready, Figma makes testing and sharing straightforward. You can present your prototype in full-screen mode, simulating the actual user experience. Sharing a view-only link allows stakeholders to interact with your design and leave comments directly on specific elements. This collaborative feedback loop is invaluable for refining your designs. Rapid iteration based on user insights ensures your final product is both functional and delightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.